Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Canva Pro and Adobe Illustrator to find out which is the better app for logo design in 2025. If you're looking to create logos for your brand and want to know what is the best editing software for you between the two, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. It's easier to create a good-looking design on Canva because you can simply use the well-designed template and change the content to make it your own. Having these ready-to-use templates is Canva's best feature. You can get started right away with a template and create beautiful imagery. You can also create your own design using the existing stock graphics and images. You can click on the Elements option and search for a graphic you want. But if you want to add a personal touch like creating freehand drawings or vectors, Adobe Illustrator is the go-to because Canva has limited drawing tools. Adobe Illustrator has the famous pen tool, pencil, shape tools, and other vector tools to create original vectors and freehand drawings. For example, you can curve text, make text follow a path, or even make it fit in a shape to create cool designs. There's a lot you can do to text in Illustrator, but in Canva, you can only choose the font, change font size, and bold or italicize it. Adobe Illustrator has so many tools, and yes, they are useful and easy to get started, but it takes time and practice to be good. It's easier to draw circles, shapes, and trace images, but when it comes to logo design, that's a different story. Whatever you're making, just click on the project and a sub-menu will show with options for sizes. Quite convenient, you don't even have to search for the dimensions. The template is ready to use and you can easily edit the info of the template and make it yours. You'll need the internet to use Canva because it's an online design platform. Without the internet, you wouldn't be able to load stock images, fonts, and templates or upload any photos to Canva. Basically, nothing works, and this is one downside of Canva. Although you do need the internet to use any functions of apps, files, discover, stock, and marketplace on Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Illustrator doesn't require internet access. Once you installed Illustrator on your computer, you can use the software offline, work anywhere, and don't have to worry about connection problems. After creating your design, whether it's going to be published digitally or printed out, you'll need to save it in a certain format. When you download your finished design on Canva, you'll see different format options to download, save your file from the free or pro version. For example, for print, we usually save the file as PNG. For web images, we normally save the work as PNG or JPEG. They suggest you save the file as PNG because it's a high-quality image. If you have the Pro version, you can also download your design as SVG. Adobe Illustrator is a subscription design program, which means there isn't a one-time purchase option. You can get it at as low as $19.99 a month for all apps with an annual plan, while you can even use Canva for free, but the free version has limited templates, fonts, and stock images. When you use the free version to download your design, you can't choose the image size, resolution, select a transparent background, or compress the file. The Pro version of Canva is $14.99 a month, $119.99 a year, and you'll get many more templates, tools, fonts, etc. With the above information, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.